Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back Rimsha decor. I hope that all of you are doing well. If you know about my YouTube channel, then please visit my channel. Today I am showing you some absolutely gracious and cake designs for your Independence Day. Make sure you watch till the end. These cake designs are very most amazing viral right now. Everyone will ask you where to see it. So guys, if you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you like these design, then please like it. And don't forget to press the bell icon. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. Tell me in the comment which design you like the most favorite. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys to like, to share, to watching my YouTube video. I hope you like these designs. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, then please tell me in comment box. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you like these designs. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life or make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. These cake designs special for Independence Day. Comment your favorite cake designs. Comment, tell me which designs you like most favorite. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to end. Let me know in the comment where you are watching from. These designs special for Independence Day. Save this video for your next events. Which designs your favorite? You can use each design perfect for Independence Day. I hope you like this design with themed color combinations. 2026 most trending cake designs. Every cake design is easy and trendy. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. Comment your favorite designs and share with your friends. Stop scrolling and pick your favorite designs. I am sure cake design from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. They are so easy to make. If you want to see more make party decor ideas, cake decor idea or another celebration, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.